The definition of arc welding: joining of work pieces by applying heat or force, or both, with or without inserting a filler material. Here we can see the weld with the accessories, with welding and with the heat or forces or both. Here workpiece and with or without filler workpiece. Here arc welding advantages and limitation. You can see here some difference between this higher, most, lowest, joining all. Here some providing designing. Here we see the operation of arc welding. This some tools. It's like electrode holder and this electrode. This is arc here and this is the workpiece. Here the welding machine, AC or DC power source and controls, electric cables. Here the power sources content, the transformer and the transformer effect inverter, inverter and generator. Here we see some defects لعيوب اللحام. Here we see here incomplete fusion. This is the gap and this hot cracks and the slag inclusion. Two cracks here under cracks. We see here some definition about this. What's the meaning of this hot cracks? Here you can see. And thank you for your attention. My name is Mehdi and Abdul Khalik.